Anyone who has taught or taken classes in a learning management system knows that the user experience can at times be downright frustrating. The Dream MLS Special Interest Group has developed a unique understanding of the way learning management systems can be examined with regard to their navigational and organizational features and their overall usability. Students are tech savvy, but many times an LMS constitutes a foreign software, nothing like the technology students are already used to. The best learning occurs in a comfortable and familiar learning environment. By focusing specifically on navigation, organization, and usability, the Dream MLS Special Interest Group will pinpoint best practices in course design, along with the LMSs best suited to customization. This quote from Kyle Jones, a knowledge and services librarian, exemplifies what we want to achieve. With so many of our students coming into the classroom with innumerable experiences in this social network, Facebook, it's such a blessing to be able to provide a user experience in an LMS that works in a way that students are used to and comfortable with. We begin with the most well-known and widely used learning management systems: Angel, Blackboard, Desire to Learn, Sakai, BrainHoney, and Moodle. Navigation and organizational hierarchies within LMSs can be difficult. Our goal is to identify problems in these areas and then eliminate the barriers they present to teaching and learning outcomes. Discussion might be happening in multiple places within the LMS, or perhaps even outside of it. The Dream MLS Special Interest Group examines how easy it is for students to navigate communication, discussion, and assignments within an LMS and outside of it. How will we do this? Online, there are many templates that provide ways of standardizing LMS testing. The results of these tests can be used to synchronize learning goals and activities with regard to the navigational and organizational structures of a learning management system. When we know which features work best together, we can identify the ones that cause problems and define best practices within an LMS. Essentially, the goal is to create a navigational structure within a learning management system that is simple for users so that learning course material is the only concern. The Dream MLS Special Interest Group identifies the strengths and weaknesses of a learning management system by seeking out reports from educational institutions and organizations regarding the use and implementation of different learning management systems. Students at universities have voiced their own concerns about learning management systems and their usability on the internet through websites and blogs. The Dream MLS Special Interest Group seeks answers to questions about navigation, organizational hierarchy, and the usability of learning management systems. Ultimately, we hope to design frictionless learning environments, define the best practices in course design, use test cases to identify the most useful features, and guide thoughts on LMS use with user experience insights.